Welcome on another quick how-to video. My cold water feed tap has been leaking from here for quite some time. Now, I know this is a bit loose at the moment because I've taken off. I'll just put it back on just to show you guys. And I'll show you how to remove that as well. But the tap has been leaking when you turn on the cold tap feed on. It leaks from this section here. Obviously the tap's currently turned off from underneath the sink, so no water's coming out at the moment. But in order to open the sort of the casing, on the back of the casing you'll see a little hole here. Now there's actually like a little button, if I can find where it's gone, which is this small button here that goes on top of it. So you just need to sort of get a little pin or a screwdriver and just open it, and that will expose the sort of screw that's in there. And the way you loosen the casing is via an Allen key. So you literally put the Allen key in and start twisting it, and that will loosen the screw that's in there, and then eventually you'll be able to pull the tap off like that. Now that will expose this sort of ceramic gland, and the sort of rubber seal inside these get worn, hence why they start leaking. Now again, you'll just need to get some pliers. I've already opened this up so it is hand tight, but you just unscrew it, and as you can see, some water coming out there, but this is basically what was inside. It seems like the washer there is going a bit. Now we're not going to throw this away because we need to use this top part here. I'll show you in a second why. So the new part comes like this. That's a new washer there, all brand spanking new. So we're going to take, because obviously when you try to put the tap back on, it's not going to fit properly. So that's why you need to remove this sort of top nut here. So remove the screw, take the nut off, and get this nut, place this nut back on to your new gland there. I'm not actually sure what one of these are called, but if you do, put it in the comments below, might help someone out. So I am just going to go ahead and take this screw out. There we go. We're going to take this out, and in the same way we're just going to put it on the new one, and then we're going to get the new screw and just tighten that back on, just like so. That's tight enough. Okay, and then we're just going to give it a little clean with a cloth. And then we're just going to simply screw this back in, and then with our pliers we're just going to tighten it. There we go. That's tight enough. So when we put our casing back on, that'll go on And when you put it on, you just need to make sure it's in the off position. Otherwise, when you just turn it on, it might not go. So I'm just going to turn the cold water feed back on from underneath the sink. And we're going to attempt to try it. Brilliant. As you can see there, water's on, and no more leaks. Fantastic. There you go. So that's how you change a water tap gland. The one that I bought, just in case you get two in a set, this was from Tool Station. I'll just turn that back off. And it's a 1/4 turn ceramic tap gland with an 8mm spline height. 2-pack, I think it was about a £5 from Tool Station. There you go. Job's a good one.